Welcome back to a Kitchen Advisor channel. Today we are making a delicious, cheesy egg stuffed pepper, perfect for breakfast, brunch or even a quick dinner. Let's roll. Here is what you will need. Bell peppers of your choice, color doesn't matter. Eggs, roughly 2 per pepper, your favorite cheese, butter for richness, chimichurri seasoning and pepper for that zesty kick. First things first, let's prep our peppers. Cut the tops off and remove the seeds. Next, Ziploc bag. Start by adding your cheese and butter, then the eggs. Crack those in. Add a couple of teaspoons of chimichurri seasoning and a pinch of pepper. Mix it all together. You want everything nicely combined. Beat it up a bit. Time to fill our pepper. Pour that juicy mix right in. Don't be shy, and then cover it up with the top. Place this beauty in an oven-safe bowl and preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Now we are going to bake this for about 30 minutes. While we wait, let's chat about why this dish is awesome. Red bell peppers are packed with vitamin C. Just one medium-sized red bell pepper contains about 170% of the recommended daily intake. They are also rich in antioxidants like beta-carotene, which the body converts into vitamin A to support eye health. Alright, our pepper is ready. Just look at that, golden, cheesy and oh so delicious. Let's cool for a minute before we dig in. The egg is fluffy, the cheese is melty, and that chimichurri seasoning gives a pop of flavor. What else could you wish for? If you love this recipe, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and share it with your friends. How do you like to customize your cheesy egg stuffed peppers? Comment below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.